Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ki nong snong jo ki Henry tuli ki snong ki badan marjan bat ka wa lukha ha East Giant Hills District. Ki baha bapo ka ilaka narpo. Ringkat kiseng balang ki layang persya betriang ya ke company Star Cement Meghalaya Limited ha kasngi ke Jingthmu ban Pynlong ya ke rensan pensngau ya ke monjo Paidbah halor ke Jingthmu ti Mawshun da ke company Star Cement ha ka khat khandai terik mentau benai risau arja ka khandai kadai kasngi ke Jingthmu ban Pynlong ya ke environmental public hearing ne ke rensan ha ka baki Paidbah ken pensngau ya ke jingkersan ne ke jingpersya jongki halor ke ni ke projek Henry ki nong snong kentop ya ki sang balang baper ke ni ke than Tang hashtag nanti, kila khang nanti dek babu dek mau. Ha kalenti ban net sa kasnong bri shernot, kasnong ke Jingthmu ban Pynlong ya ke Jingelang. Ha kani kasngi walana kalyang ki bor punya district kila batha ya ki bor pulet ban Penklan ya ki bor pahara. Henry ki Paidbah ki balai lom lang hang ne kila yang pene betriang. Ban khang nanti wat ya deputy commissioner ke East Giant Hills District ubadai ban penyat ya ke public hearing. Nalor kinong snong jong ki Henry tuli ki snong ki bala yang persya ya ke company Star Cement Meghalaya Limited. Janbaro kiseng balang kani kathan ru kila kersya ni ki Paidbah kentop ru iki bakampau kum ke Jantia Students Union ke Khasi Students Unions Harilum Jantia ke Jantia Youth Federation bat kiwe kiba persya iki ni ke public hearing kila wan poi hakini ke jaka bakhang nanti kila dan nadu ke por mestam Henry andala siteng sngi sa kinong snong no kesnong brichernot kiba kersan ya ke company Star Cement kila wan poi hakini ke jaka kabal janmi pat kejengnya huri hura hapadeng para do parasnam khamtam ki kenthei ki balasdang banya pen ibor para maki
mengi persya ya gini ki Star Cement kalong ba sikarta gil don gini company try lembak ledangam bakla kala don country kon news nem ka ek gam don jimun toy ngi kum ki narpo gini ki than sini bro than bordar habang ipek mentak kaji mentoy ka detang ya ki company ki wan na resep ngi Iwan ban penjot ya kejai benriu jengi. Kila persang menta ban diwai ya kejai benriu jengi. Ka kata kadau ngakong hai snong kiang ngapersa jure kene namar bang ledangi ailat de kum gine. La sai sing kejai benriu jengi kan sedu jai na. Kaba kadu ngan ong namar kiwan hang ne kiwan penjot ya ki yang ngikum ki semla. Kiwan penjot ya ke meriang. Kata kadau nyingi yang ban persa jur namar ngakan tujur ya ke sarkar me kerja jengi. Kum kene kejai public hearing mdai suban ailat. Ledak kita ailat ngam hai snong kiang. Ledak ke sarkar ke wan si snong kiang. Kipa ke berujung di si wan si snong kiang. Bani lapan penek meriang. Ledak kum kene ki ailat jengi. Hato menoba penjat meriang. Penjat meriang ke sarkar ne penjat meriang Paidbah ne. Sarkar. Ledak sarkar dan ailat kum kene public hearing hapo narpo jengi. Ngan lian jong akom hai snong kiang ngam nyutre langsu halor ki dipan sarkar ban wan sum kiang ban lap penek meriang.
Kejeng percak ke jengi menta kene kethany narpo ke jengi namar mendon cloud shoe bangin rek tengan namar ki company ke wan sini cha thany narpo ke jengi ngam tip ke ke jengmut ke company ke wan sini nang kata ka daw nga persya ya ga sarkar leni ya ke company balai ga sarkar makhlia ka pediang ya gini ke company ka ai permission ya ka kendrung segeri jongi nang kata ka daw tabalai ru ke company ke wan sene namar ke jingmut ke jongka lene hagano gonong rim ya gini ki snong ru ki lapdiang yang gini ke company nakata ka daw nga persya namar balai ngatip ru unosnam arjar khat khandai ki la persya ingi ki ong ke wildlife sanctuary ke la kem ingi unong rap tempeu rap kwai balai kekiam ini namar ko onge phila penjot ya gameriang teman ni ka company pa ka wildlife kemla ban kem hagano nong rim kene ka wildlife kala ban ailat ya ka company kan rung kan shimno kan bamno kan khli no igi kini gilum kiwa hau tu snem arjar kendai kawa luka ka jia kum ni ka yap dok kha hagano nong rim ki yap ini dok kha namar de la don ka company mentang ngamut khwai dok kha hawa luka don dok kha shu balai kene ka company kala penyap lut ye dok kha kala ai digipi kala ai do simen kenyap no gini dok kha borok khoi nak kata ka daw nga persya ngak kecing kermen gezongi ngin job be ya gana ga kendon namar balai ngikwa dang sa gani ga mariang ukara sang ma ong ngi unong rap cloud to bungi geding ki prau ki scan tementa ka company ka wan na te na Delhi ka wan penjulor ye gani jingthmu jingi ka penjulor ye gani jing rap jongi ka e jing mot ka jing sio tho yang gani ga sarkar makhlia ga jongi nakata ka daw nga sio lunga palat hadok ane ni namar ngemtip hadok kat no kejingmut kene ka company ka wan kangat be sene ka district Jingthmu ga jongi nakata ka daw nga sio lunga namar balai ka lek shu chawai ka jaka amdei tang hale ka chnong narpo ka jongi kadon Mawshun kadon mau yong namar baros telak jong ri India la don Mawshun kum ha Rajasthan ka don hi ka Mawshun ka don nga mau yong balai ka lek chata sa Rajasthan namar ngemtip balai ka jingmut yong gini ka company ka wan gi ngat chene ka district Jingthmu ka jongi namar balai nga angkamte shwa ba ka company ka rung shaka shigari India chaga state makhlia jongi hajing shisha ka sarkar makhlia jongi ka prakhat bnia bha ke e jingmut kini ka company ka wan palat chene ka chathai Jingthmu jongi nakata ka daw nga siyaw lunga palat nakata ka daw nga kwa ya ka sarkar makhlia siyaw shimkhia ini ki jingkar pat jongi baduna chiliang namar lada jia kini ka company kin bun chene ka thai na to jongi ngemtip ujai khasi jongi ka ji ayu ingi nga karpat usang ma siyo ha shimkhia ban prakhat ye nga company namar kat kejing mut gijonga ubaduna siliang ngam kwa ban wan shu ye nga company kat kejing tip gijonga namar kejing mut jonga ubaduna siliang namar ke isu jonga sarkar India tang lai teli ki company ke la bandon hagawe ge district namar mental adon pra khandai teli ki company hagapok ke elaka narpo ke jongi
kadau na kaliang jongi kum ka khasi student singin narpo sakal Pulong ni ban persya kalong ba bunap tibru bum suthu tibru persya ki ong ba boleh kini ki sing balang mo ki suka persya ni kan persya kata karo kapar ni kador man kum ba ong ndre persya tang kana gawe bahkan kam de ka platform ni ka topik bangini kran ya ka development karo kapar ndre ki platform ka topik banginikan sipang ka environment impact assessment hatu kasar kanut naman ba kli mo kanut naman ba kli ban ay ka asar ni pa ba da yolat pengkrong no Mawshun ang ni na bersinot ka alukha ni ka alnar kin om jabo e ngaong ba ka kasar kam no ba kli dalele ran mar kumalong manta kini ki arti ki wa alnar ba alukha Pynlong su bandi ngapa ka mau thi barang du snam arjar nyo kasin banungkong ba yak ka kutu ka por udipitsun berunjung ke essential district long bang penjeri no ada kekendon ain wan for CRPC ba ubru ba imam tu kimbit ban pami ka kimbit ban di ya hadok mentah umpat weng ya kutu ka kendon ba penjeri demta kibru hadok mentah kimbit ban pendengkam ya ka aluka bandi
ke iperkas subuh mentah sini kala kansel nang na kan ka la kansel ka ayo mungkin Pulong suan
nya harum tai ke Paidbah mak mingi kum kesen min ya sya baik haruan put kapor nama sau dia kan put kapor ni kum ka sen Paidbah min ya sya haruan put nang lai dalele ban Pynlong public hari
ya kan kam gila ada persya yang lebih jingthok so deputy commissioner baksa ka state pollution control gila kupi ro sebarok gitnat jong ka forest tam jong ka wildlife sesuri dehlu kan ka bentang gila persya ku gasing nomor kai ka daw main ki persya nomor kane ka public hearing la kiyo kan ka statement banti hang ne kan kita ya kini ki kiwa kam tam ya kini ka luar benar berkawa ukha ne kita daw ki persya juri ya kane maradu mentar nilap baya kini ki snam balde bru kene ka ukha kala juit nomor hulu kan ka norim bangi kum ka suna pergi terus ekonomi ni persya ya kene nomor ngipik ya kini ki wa mun snam man haus snam balde ni i bagana wa long ka bakoi nomor last year ngila mentau sempro ngila Pulom ya ga first Lukha festival te next year ngin Pulom yang ya ga second Lukha festival Kerang ba penbenda ya ga Lukha ya ga Jingthmu jongka nomor bun kibru gib ik meriang ro kisnu tenat ben likai nomor kidon kijuka ga itnat kamtam ya ga Lukha ga paunam de islam iba menswa pe jadi meta gini company kina bun do tam chho pili gibun Pulom haju pejingi kam jo jimutoi kamtam halur ga diulaman kamtam haga yo kam ya jam las mentau sempro kum ka ilaka kum gi nilayu ban kep kam ya kun somla tang wi rum jo ai pe kolong kam mentoi na kata daw ngi kum gi kun somla tang la sotu ya ga jing komden jum toy na keleng jungi dali nang nis khamat ngi namai laksu ya kidu kidu kisemetan bikin ban le hangne le business
jing persa jungi ke bah khamat ya ke ban kong ngi pet khamat chak wa Lukha ka ba pi la chak snyo ba por ba menswa ba do mentaru long ke poin ke ban kong long kadau ba dade ba star simen kayo ban petrekam ya kaneka main menta ke baka pelan ban Pynlong public hearing menta kesngi te kan kata nangkong ka Lukha ba kitu ki jabok barok kin yai lang ba ka Lukha te hapo jong kan ka Lukha don hodu chipeu teli kisnong ki basong lang ba jong ka kini kisnong kin sak kata om tang ha ka bakin di ya ka hendrai tang ban sumru namar bangan kan mawi pin hau arjar nyau lawan ka CRPC napo UDC baula ai ba om bitsu bandi ya ka wa Lukha dene ban bam ki dokha ki badan haka namar ba ki la longbi hendrai menta ngaku man kali ya ka Meghalaya State Pollution Board ba balai ka ailat biang ya ka star simen ban pentre biang ya ka marjong ya ka manjong ka star simen hane ki banta badan ka wa Lukha namar bang itip haswa jong arjar nyau haswa ban padon ke factory ka wa Lukha sai don ki por baka wan ka deuyong ki su long umyap ki dokha long tang pu ki matla kat tukan nepor haden kata pat ki la jalut hendri haden balawan ka star simen lawan ki factory babon long om tang baki tla lene matla hene ki la yapan ban haduk ba wat UDC ru lang don ni ka record UDC ru la declare ba om bit su bandi ya ka Lukha te kata le long ka bangi sopla ba mentapan halor ba kitip ba kini ki jabo kin ya hi lang ba ka Lukha da de bi kini ki jabo kin mi kin ya lang ba ka Lukha mot ki beriu kin sa sembiang ka tu ka jing te kamut tang na ka banta ka wei ka sinong ne tang ka banta simet jong no kin long ba kin ngin long nyang kenya lo mangi long ngim se wahap halor kata kanong rim ngi ne lang kum kin riu sinong ban plus kidang don ki sinong ru ki ba hap lang ba ka Lukha bat kumjo kum presiden jong ka sing samla sinong ngin yeng be hadu dakut dadai balong kumnu ngin persya baik bangin omailat ya ka star simen bat om tang ya ka star simen ru nado mentagas ngi kum ki kun samla ki bai hap nado lum sinong sharum bat kumjo ru ki barang don hi kam sem long ki ba support yangi halor ka ba ka ya ka lawai jongi ngin yeng persya bangin omailat su bakin yo man klong mau lene ban Pynlong hakum kini ki banta ban penbe yangi tang da ka cisngi long da ka pisap lea man penbe kat tukan nengon tang na ka daw bakin yo kamai long ngingin yang baik haduk dakut bangin nak mailat re ya star simen lene bat ya kiwedu ki factory ngin ai kan ka message ba kinam yo su naduk nang ne kasngi ba ngin nak mailat su iki
kadau hi baki Paidbah ki bayang persya ya ka party Mawshun bathmai jang ka company star simen ha ka snong brichernon ha ka chaka ka bahe saphuai point not san not hector kadai halor ka jing persang jungki banyada ya ka jing punjat ya ka mairam o khamtam banyada ya ka wa lunar bat ka wa Lukha kumjo ya ka wildlife sanctuary ha ka ba ki barat ki ba em ha ka ni ka khlau kin om phet no na ka ni ka jaka kumta ha ka beide ba ka ni ka Jingthmu pentrekam ya ka ni ka party Mawshun layo ru banyakren bat wei ni ki he jong ka star simen ubalapan pau yala ka jong ka nya ka jutang halor ka ni ka Jingthmu jong ka company.
The project for which the public hearing was supposed to conduct, so that project is non-forest land, and it is far from 1.46 kilometer far from wildlife sanctuary, and it is mining plan is already made, and all the precaution for the environment is already taken care. The limestone and that material which is there in the mine is not a material which is damaging to the water. It is a limestone only. Limestone does not have any effect on the water, and whereas there is a provision for keeping distance from all the corners, and then water which is going from rain water which is going out from there, then there is a sedimentation tank will be there and provision will be there. So it is a basically legal mine. When there is a legal mine, there is a number of government rules and regulations are imposed, and we have to follow all the rules and regulations, whether it is belong to IBM, it belongs to DGMS, it belongs to MOEF, it belongs to CPCB, pollution board. So we have to adhere all the norms which are there for the protection of environment. There was no tie-up with the person who must be sending. Our tie-up is with the village, our tie-up with the Dolo Ilaka, our tie-up is with the Brishanot village. Our tie-up, our agreement is there with the Lumshunung village, which we are following. We are sending all the reports of our employment regularly. We are sending to the industry department. It is there. We have given our data, and that is there with the Meghalaya industry department. नहीं तो data only by saying vague word तो it when it is no do they have any data? Have they produced? We are producing data. They also should produce the data if that is the case, because the thing only by saying the mouth word so is not he is telling truth and we are telling lie. That cannot be there. They have to have authentic paper, and then they can submit, okay, this is the thing and they are doing this, they have done commit this and did this. So that is there. It should be conducted actually. Main thing is there when there is a hearing is for giving suggestion, hearing is for support, hearing is for their views. That is for that only it is conducted, unless the hearing is not required. It is there for to take the views of the area. So when you are not allowing them, that is the administration matter, the district administration matter, because conducting the hearing is the responsibility of pollution board and district administration. So if it could not be conducted, then it is a failure of district administration. Let us see if there is any provision as per EIA notification. We will see other options also, and we will discuss with the DC ki now hearing has to be conducted. My mean to say there is no problem. Opposition is there, let platform is given to them, let them oppose, let them support, let them give their views. So all are welcome. Suppose when there is objection is there, so what are the objection that then pollution board or the MOEF will give the direction, and then we have to say if the objection is really genuine, so then we have to follow, okay, how to overcome with that objection. So provisions are given, but if you block the road, no, today they have blocked the road for the Brishanot people going to the, suppose somebody is there in the ambulance and he dies in the ambulance, who will be responsible? That blocking the road is the blocking the right of the people who are passing through that action should be taken against them by the administration or by the whosoever it is passing through. Blocking the road is the blocking the right of the people in the area. Nobody questioning them ki how they have broken the law, and we are going as per law. Even it is far from the 500 meter far from the Luna, so that is a huge distance, and apart from that we cannot that mine overburden we cannot put in the, that is not allowed. In the mining plan, when we make the mining plan, in the mining plan there is a designated place. If there is overburden, we have to put the overburden in that designated place only. We cannot throw the wherever we like. That is done when there is illegal mining. So much illegal mining is going on. There people are throwing in the nala also. Nobody is questioning. No Lukha association is coming out for that. No KSU Narpo circle is coming out for that. When there is already illegal minings are going on in the area, have they came for the agitation ki that has to be stopped? And when we are coming with the legal mines in the area, so then so it may be some vested interest or some other maybe trying to instigate them. Some vested interest is there.